Okay, yeah, bye guys. Oh my god! There's a demogorgon. It's gonna eat me. It's gonna eat me. It's gonna eat me. Oh god. I gotta attack it with this chair. I'm gonna get it. Oh, it shot its tooth at me. I don't know what I'm saying. It infected me. Yeah, and I became a demogorgon. No, I don't want that chair. Yeah. Okay, I do not know what that was. That's not how the show goes. But I turned into a demogorgon from that tooth infection. Yeah. So um. Anyways, today we are going to be doing the Tower of Hell, and we are going to try to make it. And we got infected as a demogorgon, and yeah, and we have another demogorgon here with us. See, look, I got infected by that demogorgon. Where's the other demogorgon? I'm gonna look in chat. Here it is. Here she is. Look, I'm only partially infected right now because of my mouth. But you guys, but Demogorgon, we have to skip the Tower of Hell. Let's go. Barbara? Is that you? Oh, gosh. I failed on that one. Yes. You stupid phone. Hold up one sec, guys. Okay. Anyways, here's the fellow Demogorgon. Let me move that. And buddy, bada. Let's see. Oh god, I hate this. No! I overjumped it with that guy. Wait, Demogorgon, type in the chat if you were the one who ate Will. Or took Will. Because I wasn't, I just got infected. Yeah. Okay. As you guys can tell, I'm very, very bad at parkour. Bro, I'm with this guy again. Bro, that guy in front of me messed me up. Okay, let's try again. That was my high score on this map. I don't think I've ever done this map, but... No, come on, don't stop the timing now. I'm doing so good. Okay. Well, we're in another map, and this will probably be the last map by the looks of the time. Guys, next video I might be even more infected by the Demogorgon. Oh my gosh, this map looks insane. What? No. Whoa, look at that one girl on the side. She's making it. Also, guys, if you guys haven't seen Stranger Things, unless you're like really young, I would recommend it. It's a pretty good show. Can I make this video sponsored by it? I don't think I can, but still go watch it. I'll make it sponsored in my own little way. That guy oofed. Okay, I'm probably gonna fail all these jumps. Do it. Yeah, this map is pretty bad. By the likes. Yeah. And re and re and re. Don't mind these sounds. It just helps me. See it? Okay, high score. Let's go. I literally just jinxed myself so hard. You don't know how hard I almost just walked off. That would have been embarrassing. This demogorgon thing's getting to me. I'm a demogorgon on Fortnite as well. So let's see. Where's my other friend demogorgon? Oh, she's down there. Ria. Okay, I'm doing good. Okay. Oh no. They're talking about Netflix and they're talking about yeah, that was sad. Unfortunate. But yeah. Netflix is where you can watch Stranger. I've a little bit. Also, guys, I am trying to make Fortnite videos as best as I can, but I'm trying, but the recording is just not working. Hold up a sec, guys. Wait a second. Well, guys, wait a second. Wait a second. Do I hear an ice cream truck? Be right back, I'm getting ice cream. Oh my gosh, guys. There was a demogorgon outside. Oh gosh. Wait a sec. Oh no. I think I'm going to become more of a demogorgon. Watch part 2 to go find out what happens in this corny and cheesy adventure.